Acetone, a colorless, highly volatile solvent, is one of the most widely used chemicals across industries and commonly used in chemical handling, cleaning and maintenance of equipment, machines, and circuit boards. With global demand exceeding $6.9 billion, acetone's role in industrial environments is undeniable, and so are its risks. Exposure to acetone can occur through inhalation, skin contact, or ingestion. In poorly ventilated spaces, acetone vapors can irritate eyes, the respiratory system, and even affect the nervous system. Accidental ingestion of products containing acetone can lead to nausea, vomiting, which may contain blood, and inflammation of the mouth. And prolonged skin contact can cause a degreasing effect, resulting in dryness and cracking. Studies have shown how easily acetone enters the body through skin. 1990 study by Fukabori showed that 2 hours of skin exposure to acetone resulted in detectable levels in blood, breath, and urine, indicating that dermal absorption is an important route of exposure and should be considered in risk assessments. Eliminating or substituting acetone can be difficult. That's why control and defense measures must be implemented alongside training and awareness of acetone risks. Occupational safety professionals recommend: 1. Limit exposure. Minimize how much contact you have with acetone. Less exposure means less risk. 2. Ventilation. Keep air moving. Acetone vapors build up quickly, so always ensure good airflow. 3. PPE, or personal protective equipment. Gloves, masks, and goggles are essential for protecting against exposure. Always wear them. As acetone use increases, staying alert and adhering to safety protocols ensures protection against its potential hazards. By doing so, industries can harness acetone's benefits without compromising the health and safety of those handling it. For more information or to subscribe to Safety Briefing, go to www.ansell.com.